Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. What if I told you that right now on your Windows PC there is a hidden performance mode built by Microsoft, but it's not enabled by default? Yes, it's already there on your system. It's called the Ultimate Performance Power Plan, and in today's video I will show you exactly what it is, how to unlock it step by step, and how it can make your PC faster and more responsive. So let's get started. First, let's quickly check what your PC is currently using. Go to Windows Search and type Power Plan and open Choose a Power Plan. Most systems will be set to balanced. Balanced mode adjusts your CPU speed depending on what you are doing, saving power when idle and boosting when needed. It's efficient, but here's the interesting part. Every time your processor shifts from low power to high performance, there's a tiny delay, just milliseconds. But for heavy tasks like gaming, video editing, or rendering, those small delays can affect smoothness. And that's exactly what Ultimate Performance is designed to fix. Now let's unlock it. Press the Windows key and type CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator. Now paste the exact command from the description below. Don't type it manually, just copy and paste. Then press enter. If it works, you will see a confirmation message showing Ultimate Performance has been added. Now close Command Prompt and go back to Choose a Power Plan. You will now see Ultimate Performance under Show Additional Plans. Select it. And that's it. No restart required. Your PC is now running at maximum performance. Now here's something important to know. On some Windows 11 systems, this mode is only visible on high-end machines. That's why we used the command to simply reveal a feature that already exists. We didn't install anything. We didn't change any system files. We just unlocked it. Now let's talk about what you will actually notice. In gaming, you will experience smoother gameplay with more stable frame timing. And your PC will feel more responsive when switching between heavy apps. For video editing, rendering, or audio work, your system stays ready at full power. So there's no delay when starting tasks. It's all about consistent and smooth performance. Now let's take it one step further with some extra optimization. Go to Change Power Plan Settings next to Ultimate Performance. Then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Here are a few important tweaks. First, expand hard disk. Then turn off hard disk after. Now set it to 0. Second, go to Wireless Adapter Settings. Then go to Power Saving Mode. Now set it to maximum performance. Third, expand USB settings. Then click on USB Selective Suspend Settings. Now set it to disabled. These small changes help your system stay fully active without interruptions. Now if you ever want to switch back, it's very simple. Just go back to Power Plans and select Balanced again. And if you want to remove Ultimate Performance completely, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Now type powercfg /list and then press enter. Now find Ultimate Performance and copy its GUID. Next type powercfg /delete space followed by that GUID. Press enter and it will be removed. So yes, everything is completely under your control. To sum it up, this is a powerful hidden feature that many people don't even know exists. If you want a faster, smoother, and more responsive PC, this is definitely worth enabling. And the best part, it takes less than a minute. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.